will tell you how does a smiling faces helps while trying to assimilation as an immigrate, and how to make it possible when a non-questionably false, fake, smiling individual person gets sent back home. I will answer this question straight up and plain, as best as dictionary can make it happen, because the wording matters here. Now, short answer is a smile does not equal assimilation. Assimilation is behavior, participation, and compliance, not appearance or attitude. Now let's break it down clearly. How assimilation and immigration actually work without no sugarcoating. A person can smile like great politician, can seemingly be so friendly, take you to the bank for all your money to run for government, and still fail to meet the requirements to stay in a country. Immigration systems, especially America's, are based on some verifiable facts. But before the end of 2025, it will certainly get much better with time, because the United States will not stand for any type of negative vibes or false flag types in place for good behavior, why a smiling person can still be sent back home. Here are the real reasons someone gets sent back, even if they seem pleasant or cooperative. 1. Illegal entry or overstay. If someone crossed illegally, overstayed a visa, ignored removal orders, no amount of friendliness overrides that. Law personality. 2. False claims or fraud. If a person lies on paperwork, gives false asylum claims, uses fake documents, that's an automatic problem. A non-questionably false case, meaning clearly proven false, leaves no discretion. 3. Refusal or failure to assimilate civically. This means ignoring laws, rejecting core legal norms, refusing lawful authority. Assimilation isn't cultural cosplay, it's functional integration. 4. Court decisions are final. Once a judge orders removal, smiling doesn't cancel it. Sympathy doesn't reverse it. Only legal relief does. Immigration court is not a popularity contest. The hard truth, but honest, a country cannot run on emotions. It runs on rules. If enforcement collapses because people seem nice, then law becomes optional. Borders become meaningless. Trust in the system collapses. That hurts legal immigrants the most. Why this actually supports immigration, not opposes it. Here's the part people miss. Enforcement is what makes immigration possible. When rules are followed, legal immigrants aren't undermined. Assimilation has meaning. The system stays open to all who come here, but the rules are always enforced for all the public. But when support drops, Laws must be tightened up, and everyone who tries to enter loses. This is why U.S. laws actually supports immigration, not opposes it. Most offend. Here's the part people most offend miss. Enforcement is what makes immigration possible when rules are followed. Legal immigrants aren't undermined assimilation, as meaning the system stays open when rules aren't enforced. Public support drops laws tight. Everyone loses straight-up summary smiling, not equal to assimilated niceness, not equal to legal status feelings, not equal to law proof, compliance, and legality decide. Outcomes assimilation is demonstrated, not performed.